Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna make Barbie's new dollhouse.
That's right. So the material we're using today,
Wood
that we've cut down already.
Mm-hmm.
And then for some support beams, this will be used for the support. And we got this window plastic that we'll use for a window as well.
So we're gonna make is the wide is 50
centimeters wide.
Yes,
45 centimeters deep.
Yes.
And 30 centimeters tall. That's roughly 1 foot tall by 18 inches long and 20 inches wide.
Yes.
Yep. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of gluing and screwing together some stuff.
Yes, with this glue,
Yep.
if you can see.
So I got some screws, some short screws here. I'll drill some holes and we'll glue them together. Alright, so why don't you go ahead and throw some glue on that.
Glue?
Glue here.
Okay.
And then we need to do the other side. And just there you go. So that's one wall done.
Mm-hmm.
So go ahead and hold that. Okay.
First.
And then we're going to turn it like this.
Is it hold? No? Hold.
And then hold it.
Okay.
And then we're going to do it again.
Glue just a little bit, just like the
Mhm.
ladybug.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah.
That's fine.
And then glue here super
Yeah.
duper. Not a lot. You don't need a lot, or else it'll be kind of bad. Ah.
Mm-hmm.
My hand is out of control.
Oh no.
Screws.
I see them.
So yeah, we put it on,
Yep.
and then that is screwing it like even, kinda. And then the other side too.
Yep.
If you can't see, I'm sorry. And then when you turn it up, gonna be a wall.
Yep. We need to drill 4 holes again.
Yes, 4. 1, 2,
That's right.
3, 4. So, and the wall frame that I had is actually, I buy it in Daiso. It's actually cute cherry.
Yeah, it's a very cute.
Yes, and I have this, the pink one and the white one. So the pink one, I'll show you how, is you have to line up like so, and then you have to peel it out.
Yeah, so it's an adhesive sticker.
Yes.
So let's go ahead and start over here. We'll do a little bit at a time.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just start to peel the sticker off.
Do you need help?
Yes. Right there, we'll use the knife to cut it off. Now you see how it looks. A little bit of difficulty at the beginning.
What happened here?
I don't know. That's all I want to get done. It's just a little bit like that.
Yeah.
And then you can Yep. Well, don't push on it because then it'll stick to the table. Black knife. I don't know where I put it.
Yeah.
It's all right. I got another knife. So
Trash it.
what we're gonna do is cut it like this.
Like X. Oh.
And that's so that way we can do the edges.
Oh.
Okay?
So the wood will be gone.
Yes, exactly. So that way you can't see the wood.
Yes. You're cutting the excess.
Yes, because we don't need this.
Yes.
And we'll probably cut that off later.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh
yeah, we need to do that side too.
Yeah.
You always want to be very careful when using these sharp knives.
Yes. Always for the
Let an adult. That's right.
supervision.
That's right. Okay. And then we'll go to Daiso and get some more.
More wallpaper. And then,
Some carpet.
yes.
So we went to the Daiso shop
Yes.
and we got some more wallpaper. And we went to the home center and got some carpet.
Yes.
So that's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. So this one is actually very small. So if you do this, there's gonna be a space. So Dad actually cut another one to put it here.
いいね。
Dad actually made it this one kind of big, so that is actually fixing it. So yeah, and first we did this way. If you see, first if you want to, if you don't want a bubble, we should just
うん、そうだ
this,
ね。
you know.
OK。
So
入れてやんの。
So we'll do this one first.
Oh, okay.
Sticky.
難しそうだね。
難しい.
And this is a small piece, so it's a little bit harder than the big piece.
Yes.
There's less to hold on to. Gonna need your fingers again, Alice.
My ultimate fingers.
乙女、乙女、your finger!
Hold that. All right. Now for the carpet.
Yes.
Yep.
It is heavy.
ちょうどぴったりじゃん。コーナーがパーフェクトじゃないですか。おお、化粧板もつける。
I gotta get the
グルーグルー。
That one.
ナイスナイス。ほら。何これアリス。めっちゃいい部屋じゃん。
So we had the stick, and then
The
we
beauty strip.
yes, and we're gonna glue it here. So I have glued now, so I'm just gonna
Yep.
put it on.
うわーすごい。なんかすごいパーフェクトルームじゃん。
Hmm.
アリスやったじゃん。
Yes.
Next, we'll do the window.
Yes.
So I pre-cut some pieces from balsa wood.
ほうほうほう。
This is a side piece. That's right. Close it slowly, okay?
これもダイソー？
Daiso.
すごい。
Everything.
なんでもある。
Everything.
The room is almost finished. It looks so. It looks
す
perfect.
ごいナイスなお部屋じゃない。あ、キューティップが。すごいね。
Yours.
ナイス。すごいカーペットが本当にカーペットだもんね。
And wait.
There's the window.
OK。
Yep,
Oh,
we
yeah.
trimmed it up
うん。
and put some pieces on it.
おお。
A little bit of glue.
これでアリスのバービーちゃんのお部屋終了？
Uh-huh.
あ、よかったねアリス。これ夏休みのビッグプロジェクトじゃん。
Yes. This is my dream.
お、ハマった。
How's it look?
イエーイ。ナイス。
So we're gonna wait until dry, but the videos will finish today.
OK。
So, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you build your own Barbie house or dollhouse.
Yes.
Gives you ideas and pointers. So I hope you enjoyed it and watch more of Alice's Barbie ideas.
Yes, so I hope you like this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to see our video. Bye bye.